let's say go to the OCI. So now what I will do, let me go here. What is the navigation? Identity. Identity. Users. Users. Create user. Can anyone will give your user email ID, guys? In the chat window so that you will get the email.
నాకు ఐడియా ఉంది జస్ట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయండి.
Okay.
Yeah.
First name Ashok. Ashok voice user. Just any name I can. Ashok dot voice user. So Ashok is the first name, last name, and this one email address. Create. So navigation clear, guys? You want to show once again this navigation how to create the user? But in the real time, you will not create this user in the OCI console. OCI team will be taken care to create the user. But okay. So this is the home page. From starting onwards, I'll show you. First go to OCI. Next to now you will go here. Identity and security. Identity. Users. Create user. Email address. So that voice user. Create. So after we create the user, guys, put the mute, guys. After we create the user, how to add the role? After we create the user, how to add the role? To add the roles to the user, you have to go to Oracle Cloud Services. Go to Oracle Cloud Services. So we have created the user. Go to you got any email, Ashok?
Yes, sir. Received. It's showing
Okay.
activate.
Yeah, wait, don't activate. I will tell you. Okay.
Okay.
We'll tell you. Go to Oracle Cloud Services. So go to the integration cloud services. Click on this one. There is a option called users. So which user? Go to application roles. So I am going to add service developer role to Ashok. Service developer role to Ashok. Click here. Manage. Show available users. Ashok.user. Assign. So go to application roles. Service developer role. Service developer. Manage. Select this checkbox. Assign. Okay. So service developer role we have associated with Ashok user. If you look at this one, service developer role we have associated with the Ashok.oc user. Okay. Now, Ashok, you can activate that and give the password, something complex password you can give, something like that.
Okay.
And share the password to me.
Okay, sir.
Hi, Vamshi. Hi, Vamshi.
Huh?
Yeah, hi,
Yes.
Vamshi. Do you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, we can add all the users.
All the users?
Yeah, for the user, we can add all the roles.
Yeah, all the roles also you can enter. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Instead of all the roles, we can add service administrator.
Service administrator you can add.
Yeah, this is the
This is the main. This is the
the
main role. Service administrator is the main role. So whatever it is doing, that service manager, whatever it is doing, this one service administrator will do.
okay.
But in the real time, guys, I'm telling you, service developer role will be given to us. Ashok, did you change the password?
Sir, change it. I send via WhatsApp. Please.
Okay. Okay. Ashok dot voice user. So now, by using this user, I will log into the Oracle OIC instance. Okay, how to log in? So how to take the URL, guys? Anyone can tell now? Developer services.
Developer services integration. There is a list of instances we have. Let's click on open console.
Open console. Take this. Open another browser. Huh? Ashok.voice. Ashok.voice user. Password.
And Ashok also need to register in Oracle Authenticator app.
No need, no need.
Okay, directly username and password is enough.
Yeah, no need. So now Ashok will get service developer role, which will not have a settings option. The service developer role, sorry, settings option not there, right? Did you observe? So I logged into ashok.oic user service. This one is developer role I added. So service developer role, which will not give the permission to give the settings option. Okay. Service deployer role I will do. We'll create one more user now. We'll create one more user. Overview. Users. Create user. Can anyone give another email ID? Can anyone give another email ID? Hmm? Okay, thank you, Janakesh. Create the user. So after you create the user, you have to go to the integrated applications. Go to the user. Oracle Cloud Services. Oracle Cloud Services. Select the voice instance. Roles. Application roles. So service service developer role I added for the service developer role I added for the Ashok. Service deploy role I will add. Service deploy role. Otherwise I will add service monitor role. Okay, service deploy role I'm adding. Manage. Fine. So Chennakeshava user has a service deployer role. But service deployer role, you will not see any options, guys. So deployment, right? Deployment people will not do any, will not have any options, right? Okay. So for your understanding, Chennakeshava, you got any email?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, reset, activate that account and give me password.
Yes, sir. Yes. Moment. Sir, I have shared you in WhatsApp, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Go to same OSC instance. But I think Chinnakeshwar user, you will not able to see anything. Why? Because deployer role, you will not see any options. Let's verify. What is the username?
I think Chinna.Cash was JSHAVA.
So that is correct one, right? So deployer, you will not see any options, right? So deployer will not have any options. Only login is possible. So that is the way it will work. That is the way it will work. Okay, you try. Okay, I think you no need to do practice this one. Just I have shown how to create the user and how to add the role to the user. Now what I will do, I will show you how to create the groups also. For example, I have a 30 developers are there. So for 30 developers, I want to add the service developer role. So you no need to create every time user 30 users. You no need to add the service developer role to the 30 times. You can create the group, and in the group you are going to add the users. That group you are going to add this role. Got it or not? No. How to create the group? Go to the groups. Entity. Users. Go to the groups. Create the group. So my group name is developers 2102. 2102. 2102 group I have created. Developers 2102 is the group name. So I am going to add the users to this group. How to assign users to the group? So I want to add Sai Krishna, Chennakeshwar, Ajay, Bharat. So there are the 4 developers there in the developers 2102 group. Okay. Now what we will do, we are going to add the role service developer role to this group. Let me do now. So what we will do, you go to the domains. Users. So Oracle Cloud Services. Select the OIC instance URL. Application roles. application roles.
Select roles.
For example, I want to add the service developer role. Like this one. Manage.
There is a assigned group section. Is there? You selected assigned user.
Oh, sorry. Service developer. There is a assigned groups option in there. Sorry, assigned groups manage. So available groups. Developer 2102 assign. Okay, close. So now guys here, previously I was not able to access Chennakeshava user, right? Now we will try because we added the service developer role, right? Did you observe? Previously service deploy role we added, so that was not able to access the screen. So now we added service developer role using the group. So because that group contains Chennakeshava.user, that is the reason he is able to see these options. So far what we have discussed, guys. So how to
User creation, role assign.
okay, from yesterday onwards I'll tell you how to create the PaaS instance using OCI console. OCI. So you must have international and then I have shown how to create the OCI instance. Then today I have shown how to create the users. How to assign the roles to the user. And how to create the group. How to create the group. How to assign the roles to the group. Any question you can ask me, guys. Anything if you want to show answer, also I can show.
Sir,
Yeah.
so what if we don't want the person to be in the group? We can also delete the person user and we can assign, I mean, again, we have to do it from the start, or we can just directly delete the person.
Yeah, very good question. We'll try now. Okay.
Okay.
For example, you want to remove one of the user in the group, right?
Okay, sir.
So go to developers 2102. Select here. Remove.
Okay, sir.
You want to add one more user also, you can add.
Okay, sir.
So all options are there. Remove also there. Assign also there.
So after adding also, we have to again assign the roles, sir, or it is automatically, so it will take to the, I mean, the user will directly add the role, or else we need to add it again from the starting, like you have mentioned now.
I did not understand question.
I mean, if, for example, if you wanted to add a new user, so once you add a new user, again, you have to add the role for that particular person, or it is directly added the, I mean, the role will be added.
Group already added, role added to this group, right? No need to again select the role.
Okay, it is just like adding the person.
That's it. Okay, anyway, that is easy now. Okay, tell me your email ID. We will add your name.
Okay, so I'll just text it in the chat.
You text me in the chat window. Yeah, good question. We'll try all that. So we'll create the new user. We'll add to the group. Let's see. Let me go to the create user.
the email as username.
Sorry. Username and you. Likita, you will get the email. You activate that account. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Share me the password. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You activate the. I think you might have got email now. Share the password to me, my WhatsApp, so that I will.
So I have to activate, sir.
Yeah, you must have to activate.
Ah,
Share me the. So I have created. Okay, I have created a user. Okay, I am not going to add any role directly to this user. Directly, I am going to assign this user to the group. This group already there, that role, right? Let's verify in this case how it will be happen. I don't think we no need to refresh anything. Okay, let's see. Huh?
So give me a second.
Okay. So when you create the password, now make sure that capital letters required, special characters required, number required.
Yeah.
Capital letter, special characters, and number. Guys, once again, I'm telling you, this class you will not have option to practice, guys. But useful class, just to understand how to create the user, how to add the role, what are the roles available. That's it.
Vamsi, I think in the group, even though she didn't create the password, I think we can add her into group now.
Yeah, correct. So, so these navigations are a little bit difficult, guys. Go to the groups. Assignments to be added. So this developers 2102 group, I added the Likita user also, but I am not going to assign any role to her. I have not added any roles to her. Let's see whether we are able to see that these options.
But I'm sharing you on WhatsApp.
Okay. Username.
Shall I share the username also?
Username already I have now.
Okay. I've shared you on WhatsApp, sir.
Okay. Okay, done.
Sir, if we want to practice, can we sign up for ourselves, right? Like
No.
by using.
No need. If you want, you can create. You have international credit card. You can create the OCI.
Okay.
But for sure, guys, you will not do this work. How to create the user, how to add the roles to the user. So just for our understanding only, I am explaining you these things today. Even I also don't have much confidence on that, but whatever I have knowledge, I'm showing you. But OIC instance, whatever we are going to do practice, that I will give the link to you, and I will give the username and password so that you can do practice.
Okay, sir. So in real time, that's the OCI team, right? Like they
Yeah.
are supposed to do all this. Okay.
Yes, exactly correct. Let me upload all these things. Okay. So assume that now, guys, our OIC instance ready and BBCS, OIC, BBCS, OPA, ATP database also I will show you now how to do. ATP database how to create in the OCI. Huh? We have to go to the database. Go to the database. So you are attending SQL classes, right? So in SQL, we are giving the valid file, everything, right? How it is coming, this valid file, everything. So that I am showing now. Oracle database, autonomous database, autonomous transaction processing, ATP. So create autonomous database. Okay. So you can use the transaction processing. Password.
Vamsi, one question here now. If suppose a dev SaaS instance, dev 12, just consider an one example. In that, when we open that reports and analytics, it will connect it to one database. So that database and whatever they created this database, suppose if we need to sync, then there is any way to we can do.
Thing means
That means a dev 12 instance is there. In that, we open reports and analytics. It will contain all the user information like per users and per all the tables.
okay. The users from the SaaS to PaaS, right?
That database and whatever they created, this need to club together. That means
Think. Yeah. That is possible, but that also will be taken care by OCA team. Yeah, that is possible. Basically, in the real time, they will do like that only. So whatever the SaaS users are there, right? In the SaaS, in the security console, we are creating the users, right? So those users, they are going to sync up in the OCA console. That I am not sure how it will, how to do, but in the real time, they will do that one. Okay, so I cannot create because I already told you, now. After 1 month, you cannot create any tools. Okay. So guys, now this yeah.
I shared URL. If you want, you can try on this one. That credentials.
You have created 1 month before.
Not 1 month. I think 10-15 days back.
Okay. We will try.
Yeah, you can create instance and you can do that.
Do that. Do that. Give the cloud account name and
Yeah, that tenant I given.
okay. Let me. We'll create the voice instance. Go to the OCI. Can you approve?
Yeah, done.
So now go to the developer services integrations. Create you have already created. No? OSC Gen 3. Any name, okay. So you can mention any name. Enterprise, production, create. Okay. So it will take some time to come active. It will take some time to come the active.
Can we create a database parallelly instead of waiting?
Yeah, okay, sure.
In that instance, we cannot. We can create in existing instance.
No, in this instance, Oracle DTP. Yeah, we can create. Go to create anonymous.
Already
So
created.
No, you can create a number of databases.
Okay.
so there is no link between OIC and this database, right? Or do we need to give link?
Yeah, we need to give the link. I will tell you that. Okay, when we
Okay.
start the voice, that time I will tell you. Okay.
All right.
Create anonymous. Okay, welcome. Create anonymous database. Okay. So here here there is an option. Here there is an option called database actions. Okay, here
Database connections.
go to database connection.
Once the database is created, then only we can create the valid password.
So it is showing as provisioning, right? So it will take some time to come.
I think in the existing 2 more databases is there, so you can create on that.
Oh, developer solutions, integrations. It is not created yet. It is saying that it is.
Yeah, instance created.
Created. So now if you want to get the URL, then same steps. Open console. And if you want to create the VBCS and FTP, all these things, so you click the enable. So first you click the enable, it will take some time to, same like OIC, it is taking some time to upright. So same, if you want to enable file server, visual builder, process automation, so you need to press the enable to make this. These three tools also will be coming under the OIC.
So
You know,
how
if
many
you
users, how many users can we use one instance?
n number of users, same like SaaS, how many users
Okay.
are there? Same like
Okay.
there is no limit.
No.
So basically in the real time now, what they will do, whatever the SaaS users are there, right? So they are going to sync up into the PaaS users.
And they will give same URL to all.
Same, yeah, correct.
Okay.
No, URL is different. URL is different only, but usernames are same. Username.
No.
No. Let's go to the Oracle database. Anonymous browsing. So this is we have created, right? So this is we have created. Go here. Go to database connection. So you need to download the wallet. Download the wallet. So the same, the zip file we are giving right for SQL training. Same thing, the download the wallet. You know, this is the wallet file. So the same wallet file, what we will do in SQL developer. From here onwards, you know, right?
Yes.
So you know, right, SQL developer. Go to the SQL developer. And so from here onwards, you know, right? So here, wallet, house. So do you want me to show, guys? This we already discussed, right?
Yeah, no
Yes,
need.
Vamsi.
Okay. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Tomorrow I will continue.